Hey. What are you doing here? Don't look at me like that. What do you want? Oh, so you forgot your tent? On a camping trip. Honestly, how did you even do that? Oh, come on, it's funny. Yes, it is. It is. So, what did you want? Yeah, I know it's obvious. Even more reason why I want to make you say it. You can do it. I believe in you. Oh, the class representative wants to sleep in a tent with me. What an honor. Hey, I'm kidding. You can't blame me. I mean, teasing you is just so much fun. Well, obviously, because every time I do it, your adorable face turns so red. Oh, and there you go again. Anyway, do you think it's alright? I mean, girls and guys, I don't think we're supposed to sleep together. Oh, you already asked the other guys, and there was no space for you? Oh, so I'm your last choice, huh? The audacity. I love your expression. Come in, dude. It's fine. I really don't know why you're putting this act up. What do I mean? Well, you're acting as if you were all cold and mean and annoyed. And I don't believe it, no. You're actually lucky that I don't believe it, otherwise, I might not have said yes. No, but seriously, I want to know. Well, why? Why you were doing this? Why you're acting all tough and as if you didn't need anyone and as if you just didn't like anyone. It's not an act, huh? Yeah, sure. You can tell that to yourself, but no. No, not to me. You'll tell me eventually, right? Yeah, be annoyed. I guess if you won't tell me, then have a good night. I'm going to sleep. What's up? Oh, you want to tell me right now? What's up with you? It's 4 a.m. I just fell asleep. Oh my god. I swear to god, I don't get you. But yeah, go on, tell me. I guess I do really want to know, so go on. Eh. Yeah. No, I kind of get that. My parents also didn't really like when I expressed my feelings too much. That's so stupid in itself. Like, what do you mean expressing too much emotion? What what does it mean? Really? Why why would anyone be bothered by that? I guess that's just grumpy people who just want to be alone. God, they sound terrible. A girl you liked? What'd you do? No way. What? Why? Why? She took a picture and posted it on social media? That's not okay. I don't know what to say. Why? I'm saying why way too much, but I'm genuinely wondering how people even how people have the feeling that that's okay. If someone confessed to me, then no matter if I like them or not, I would just be respectful. I mean, especially if you reject the person, then why would you be mean on top of having to say that you don't like them back? I would feel so bad. Hmm? Oh yeah, no one has ever confessed to me. That's why I'm speaking of if someone were to do that. Hmm. Yeah, no, I think I kind of get an idea of why you act the way you do now. Hmm. But I guess I was right all along. It's not you. It's just the wall you put between the world and yourself. I don't like it. You know, your face is so handsome. I love to see you with real expressions. Mm-hmm. No, that's exactly what I don't want. Don't turn away from me. It doesn't do anything anyway. I can feel you blushing. Mm-hmm. But yeah, don't worry. I hope you can someday finally fully be yourself again. And if anyone has anything to say about that, about you laughing too loud or crying too much for a guy, which is a totally different topic. Oh my god. But yeah, if anyone tries to shame you for being yourself and showing your emotions, I will beat them up. Well, yeah, I'm short, but I can protect you. Mm-hmm. With my words. Mm. No, honestly, I swear a lot, so I could make them perish with my words. Mm-hmm. Oh, there you go. There's your cute laugh. Aww. There is another thing you have kept to yourself. Hmm. Tell me about it. Oh, so it's about that person. The person that you like? Hmm. Interesting. Hmm. Yeah, I think I get it. Because you shut yourself off for so long, you don't know how to express your feelings. Hmm. Well, I don't know if I can give you any advice that's useful, considering that I have never confessed to anyone, and as I said, no one's ever confessed to me. But yeah, maybe don't try with the love letter again. Then nobody can post it on social media. Well, I'd stop them before they could even do that, but you get my point, do you? What? I'm just saying, I know you did that when you were in middle school, but who knows? Maybe you're the type of person to still do that. I mean, your problem is not knowing how to express it in spoken words, right? Hmm. I guess maybe if words don't really work, maybe try hints in your body language. Yeah, I know. Most people are really dense. Hmm. I guess you'll just have to see how it goes. No risk, no fun, right? I can't believe it. Are you grabbing my hand? Is it what I think it is? It is? Oh my. Huh. I definitely didn't think that the first time someone confesses to me was gonna go like this, but I'm not complaining. You're lucky you're cute. Honestly, this mean guy act was really exhausting to look at. I really hope you can get rid of it. But you seem to be pretty comfortable with me already. So, yeah, that makes me happy. I'm sure you'll be back to normal pretty soon. By the way, your hand is really cold. Guess I'll have to warm it up. Yeah, give me the other hand as well. Honestly, the heat from your blush should warm your hand up real soon. I know you aren't really used to this since you've been shutting yourself off for so long, but would you mind if I kiss you? Come here. A kiss on the forehead. Nope. What did you expect, huh? Oh, yes, it is funny. I'm sorry, I just couldn't resist. What? How are you gonna get me back, huh? How? Wait, why are you grabbing my waist? Hold on, hold on. Oh, I didn't know you were so bold. I guess you'll have to show me everything that you haven't shown me yet. I'll get it out of you. Oh, come on. Don't be like that. I know we have to wake up early in the morning. But does it even matter at this point? Fine. Just one more.